Oh my God. Here we go. Gonna get a foot today, huh?
Yep.
Those are some big flakes, baby.
At least an inch.
Beautiful. An inch?
An inch. The flakes are about an inch long.
Yeah.
Look
Incredible.
at those clumps. Look at them.
Wow.
Theme of Star Wars.
Those are huge.
Like cotton balls. Don't you think?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at them. Put your hand out. Oh my God, that was a huge, huge double duty.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that snowflake. The size of that mother. Oh my God.
Woo! Wow. Look at those.
It's incredible. It's like Johnson & Johnson's exploded. It is unbelievable.
Can you actually see it?
Yes,
Yeah.
look.
Yeah. Look at it.
They're huge. I've never seen anything like it.
I know. I'm going to have to make a video.
6 to 12 inches. Yeah, baby.